Hello, this is Chazlyn from the Upper Skagit Library, and today I'm going to teach you how to place a hold via our website. So the first thing you need to do is head to our website, upperskagitlibrary.org, and we're going to click on My Account, and if you're not already logged in, that's where you'll do that. For more login help, see one of our previous videos. Once you're logged in, the website has very helpfully provided a search bar at the top of the page. If you already know the item that you're looking for, you can simply type the name of it into the search bar and press enter, or press the little green search button on the right. You notice that when I begin typing the name of the book, the catalog recognizes the book I'm looking for and pops up an option for me to click on, saving me the effort of typing the whole thing. Click that pop-up and give it a second to retrieve the book's record. Here you can see the title, the author, the call number, and the status of the book. This one is currently available for checkout. Next, move your cursor to the right and click Place Hold. Don't worry about the pickup location here. There's only one option, so there's no need to change it. Choose your notification preference. Do you prefer to get an automatically generated email from us, or have us give you a phone call? Next, press the green Submit button. Success! You've placed an item on hold and will be notified when it's ready for pickup.